guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I have been filming the St Patrick's Day makeup look. I done a poll on Instagram and it won by a vast majority. Quite a lot of you wanted me to do this look, so I thought why not? So I've done the look. I actually done it at like 10 o'clock this morning and it's now 7 o'clock in the evening. I thought I would film the intro once I've worn all the makeup all day, so you can actually see how well it's lasted, especially the eyes. With the PLouise base, I do really feel that it has kept my eye makeup in place, which with the the MAC one, I have been using, which is this one. I noticed that after a couple of hours, the pigment definitely wears off a bit. Nothing wrong with the MAC one, I just really love the PLouise one, so I'll be definitely using more of that. But yeah, I hope you like my video. It's quite a simple, smoky spotlight eye. So yeah, I hope it'll be up in time for St Patrick's Day, which is next Saturday. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Thanks again for tuning back in, and I'll see you later in the next video. Thank you. So starting off with my eyes, I have already done the base and my brows. For the base I used the PLouise base. The first time that I've used it, can't fault it at whatsoever. It's a lot easier to apply than the MAC one that I've been using, not as thick, and the base is just as even as you can get it, so I would highly recommend this. As you know, I am doing a St Patrick's Day look. I haven't really filmed it, and then it decided not to work, so got to try and do it again. I'm using the MUA Silent Disco eyeshadow palette. When I used it before, on my other video that didn't decide to work, wasn't very pigmented, so it takes quite a while to build up, so I'm going to just do it and then put it all together, pretty much. Don't know if you understand what I mean, but yeah. So I won't be filming everything that I've done, because it would take ages, but I'll do little snippets. So let's start. Okay, this just makes me look like a liar, because when I used it before, the only thing that I've changed is that I haven't put a transition colour underneath, so I think because I put it straight onto the base, it's actually made it a lot more brighter, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to do this eye first and then this eye. I won't video this eye because the video will go on forever, but yeah. and just blend that. I'm only really focusing on the eyes today. I am still going to obviously do the base, but I'm not really going to be talking through it. But I will link what I've been using down below in the comments. So I'm going to use a little bit of blue on a fluffy brush. Where have I put it? There it is. Just a light blue. Good colour. We're going in with a really compacted one with this teal minty greeny colour. Fitting that through the crease. I'm just going for a really smoky green look, and I will be adding a pigment to add a bit of glitter and sparkle. And I'm going to add some depth, so I'm going to be using the Deep Soul from the iconic London palette, and I'm using this really thin fluffy brush just because I don't want too much on there. And just really lightly putting it on the outer and inner corner, and then blending it through. Not I do any more. Again, add some on the outer corner. Inner corner. And going in with the green on top. Like so. So then just gonna blend it out. What was that? Don't know. And I'm using, never used this before, so I'm debating whether to use the Mermaze one. What it's like iridescent, so it changes colour depending on the way that you're looking at it. So I might just try that out. I'm not really sure what it's going to look like. Because I was going to use the gold, because obviously green and gold is island, but I think I'm going to put gold underneath, so we'll see. So I'm just going to be putting some, well, I'm using some micellar water to wet the concealer brush, which I'm then going to use in the Peaches and Cream pigment in Mermaze. Ooh. So I haven't concealed first, which I normally do, because I still want the green to come through. So can you see that's now lovely? And then just gonna blend that, add a little bit more. Try not to get so much on the brush this time. And again. gives a little bit of depth. So, now that's done, I'm going to move on to the other eye, but I'm not going to film this eye. And then I'm going to go on with the liner, mascara, lashes, and so on. Bear with me. So now my eyes are sort of finished, not completely. I'm going to be going on to my face, but I'm just going to do a time lapse of it because it will take so long trying to keep this video relatively short. So yeah, bear with me again. So now my face is done and I'm pretty much finished. I just want to let you know what lashes I used. They were the Peaches and Cream lashes in number 7. Absolutely loved them. I chose more thick ones because it's more. So now my face is pretty much done. I've done it not too much but not too little because I want the eyes to stand out mainly. But also I want it to last. If you're on a night out, well, you know, you want a bit of coverage, so, but I am going to do some green under the eyes, possibly a bit of gold, not really sure yet. I'm going to see what the green looks like first, and then possibly add a bit of gold. So, I'm going in with the thin, fluffy brush, so it doesn't come out too much. It wants to open. There we go. So the brightest green I'm going to use, I'm going to apply that under the lash line and a bit further down. My eyes always fall when I do this. So then now I'm going in with the really small compacted brush and going in with the blue mixed with a bit of the darker green. And then it's a bit thicker because the other one's thicker than this one. So, and a bit more blue. Because I don't like it so harsh, I'm going to blend it out with the sponge because it still has like a bit of like concealer and foundation on it. There we go. So now I'm going to do the liner. So I have to look in the mirror for this. go. So I'm gonna add mascara to the bottom lashes. And the top, just to blend the false lashes in with my own. And that's it. That's pretty much the final look. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Leave any comments down below. I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Yeah, I'll link my Instagram, Snapchat. I don't really use Twitter, so no point me linking that. Down in the comments. So if you'd like to go follow me, yeah, to see more of my work, more little mini clips. But yeah, thanks again. Bye.